My water filter is stuck on my GE side-by-side refrigerator. I've had 2 persons try to remove it and watch the video online. It should be coming out and is truly stuck.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
1 year old. The water filter has been replaced before.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, the water filter is WS613B.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, my name is I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I will be glad to help you today.
Thank you.
Do you know if someone put Vaseline on it when they installed it? If so, that would explain why it is so stuck. Petroleum products and rubber gaskets do not mix. Try tapping around the rim with a wooden spoon while trying to turn the filter.
I would like to text. No one put any oil products when it was installed. I'll try the spoon and get back with you.
Very good. The site is prompting the phone call, not me. Please ignore it.
I can't get to the rim without taking the cover plate off. Will that come off easily? Tapping it with a wooden spoon without doing that is not working.
How about tapping as far up as you can with the wooden spoon firmly and pushing in and out on the filter while trying to turn it? Hit the filter quite firmly and often.
I've tried that. My boyfriend has tried that.
Did the fridge come with a tool similar to this? Click here.
No luck.
You'll have to get a tool like this or this to get it out. The fridge came with a tool, but the installer likely threw it away. The second tool is likely the best one since it is guaranteed to fit.
I took the cover plate off and found a way to get it out. Thanks.
Great. You are very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.